Hey there, knucklehead.
Nick. Man? Pat, you doing alright?
Yeah. Knuckle lay down the bike.
Hello, wonderful.
Just fucking
Let dog. Garrett! What's going on, brother?
What's up, buddy? How are you, man? Garrett with Only Baggers. Hey, guys, if you guys want to come out to a badass bike show.
Hi, my name's Doug. I'm joking. What up, guys? Doug Meeker here, Daytona HD Wheelies, the owner of OF Performance. A lot of you guys have been up to the shop. Want to say thank you to everybody that's been out supporting. We're going to throw down on some stunts. And by the way, Johnny fucking Nobody's here. Yeah, world famous. With way harder sunglasses than mine right now. I got the 1.1 millis on, and you got the Yes Cent Lawrence. You son of a bitch.
Oh, that one was black.
Yeah, thanks, Doug. Thanks, Doug.
Hey, Zach, your book. You want me to do it or you want to do it?
I got it.
Hit that right. That's it, guys. If you don't hit this thing first try, hit this one. He's coming out, sliding it up. He's gonna hit the.
Got every shirt on the table going 2 for 30.
Gotta go. Daytona Bike Week sales. It's gotta go. Only Baggers. Make sure you guys are following me.
Let her rip,
Off that ramp, full send, stepping up. Straight stand, pigs, new fly, boat jumble. 37, 38. He said, watch this bitch, I'm gonna shit this bitch. Right already.
It's good. It stops in the parking lot.
That's the sound of sucking dick with your butt. I had to do that, Compton Carlton, I'm sorry.
Some balls,
Yeah,
Garrett.
baby.
Knuckles, knuckles, knuckles.
Not a chance. Gang, gang.
Only Baggers is here. We're here. We hit the crew. Bikes is nuts. Seeing what just went down. That's just crazy. I got asphalt all over me.
Fucking Only Baggers, baby. Florida versus everyone.
Florida.
Oh,
You're getting ready to name. I really see 2 feet in front of me, bro. That shit was nuts. Woo! Oh! Yeah, Doug!
Daytona Bike Week. What do you think? Daytona fucking Bike Week. Get loud! We burnt the tires off of that motherfucker. One more time, give it up for Birdgate Stunts, 954 Mitch, and my little girl, Trinity! Thanks for everybody coming out. I really appreciate it. Sorry we don't have a microphone tonight, but fuck it, we're having fun and we're burning up tires.
Yo, thanks for watching the video. Give Only Baggers a follow on Instagram. More Daytona vids coming, as well as the live streams. Like and subscribe, guys. Thanks.